Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Noah.greenlife. Thank you for tuning in. Today's video is a collection of all the trips I did in 2023. So keep on watching and enjoy this video. Everybody knows avocado, you know, and this is how the tree looks like. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 To build the village for us. So this is how they make it. It's nice, eh? It's beautiful. Yeah, this is ananas, very delicious. It's somebody's backyard. This chicken house is for rearing the chicken and also for the eggs. These things. This, for example, is a phone. Cell phone. And it's made from mud. And this is the charger. And today we will show you some things of the village. For example, basket weaving. Charlie? Say something.
Okay. I'm so the village Kumaba I free
No, will be separated, you know, because they like the small pieces of the gari. Most of you know, Ghanaians, they know gari, but they don't know how it is produced. Village, actually, we will try to, you know, do these things and teach also these things, you know. All right, guys, we are in another village. In the back, you see the forest and you see tall mountains. There's a chicken making noise. All right, I'm with my brother and with my friend. He's called Kwame.
And Kwame, simple mind.
Simple mind. He's weaving basket peacefully. Nobody's worrying him. I don't know if he's selling it or it's so cheap. It's amazing, but you know, it's beautiful. Hey, call this.
Hey, somebody come.
Oh, wait.
All right, he's actually picking this mushrooms from the forest in the deep village. I hope you know gari is a delicious food. It's made from cassava and it's very cheap. You know, students actually in Ghana mostly eat gari because of the cheap cost.
Na sem da bio fukueku o se unche ngwa sesem bia mi se woka tie mu asem a woka
We are in the forest, but still here sand can be found. I don't know why, but that's how God created it. Making a broom, and she's in the process of making a broom, you know, and you know they are preparing their food. The rifle, the gun. Home! It's a Ga food, you know. Banku is from the Ga tribe, you know. Ga tribe is situated in Accra, and then it will be Banku. So that is how Banku is done. All right, guys, our Ghanaian lady has finished the food.
Do our bujana no no let me so na kwashe nkofo no ba yes.
Omudin kade e can say dropping if baby dropping share in fiha.
The water in it or the palm wine in it, and out of the palm wine the apetition is made. You want to be a Jacko funny guy?
Yes.
You want to be actor?
Me are actor.
Or actor for
make a joke from
green
small
life.
one. Then wait. Make a joke from small one.
You have been.
I'm quite a bit yagulo.
Yeah.
Chichi.
important, you know, to drink herbal medicine from time to time. It's not that I'm sick, you know. You could even call it herbal tea. They're bathing it. Today is Sunday. Here in this area, and the view is beautiful. I'm looking at the town. The town is under me everywhere, and trees everywhere, because this area actually, you know, here's thick forest in Ghana. This area is known for thick forest. You know? I'm the only person here. There's nobody. I can shout, I can scream. Nobody is hearing me. I'm now in the Kumasi Zoo. I paid the fee, and here the first thing, hey, I'm afraid of Ebola. Good. Should I touch him? I'm a bit afraid of Ebola, so. Hey, this monkey is running. This monkey is running. What's wrong with this monkey? See.